Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today, oh yes, y'all, we are doing a Sarku Japan copycat recipe, y'all. And this is basically mall chicken. And I legit hate going to the mall. I have to be bribed, but when I get there, I seek out this young man. We make eye contact. I look at him, he looks at me. I take my chicken on the toothpick, get in line, get my meal, and we good to go. And then y'all, but this chicken is so flavorful, and they always put that yummy sauce on there. It is truly the sauce for me, okay y'all? And it is so good, and it will be under my copycat playlist. Make sure you guys check it out. Let's go. So I'm starting with some chicken breast and thighs that I've sliced up, white pepper, cornstarch, and then brown sugar, some mirin, which is a sweeter alternate to rice wine vinegar, ginger paste, MSG, baking soda, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, and then some browning sauce, or you can use soy sauce, and then some vegetable oil for cooking. So on the sauce, I will put all of the measurements in the description box, but basically I am going to put in triple what the recipe was that I found online, because listen, it is absolutely the sauce. You don't want to run out. So while I mix this up, go ahead and use this opportunity. I'll wait. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you have not already. You are missing out. And thank you so much to those who already have subscribed. And listen, we're over 300. I am so happy, y'all. Thank y'all so much. So I'm just gonna mix this up, and I wanted to put a little bit more color and seasoning. So I put a little bit of salt and some more dark soy. And then what I'm going to do is let this marinate, which I ended up doing for about an hour and a half because your girl was hungry, okay, as my mother-in-law says. And so you can do this overnight and it will be even better, but 2 hours and you should be good to go. But listen, y'all, it's the sauce, I'm telling you. So keep it room temperature, and then when you get ready to cook it, you'll put a little bit of oil on your griddle, and then you're gonna put an even layer of chicken. So do not pile it high, pile it evenly, because what you want to do is get the crust on it. It is that important. If you guys ever see them prep it, you want to get that crust on there. So about 7 or so minutes, and then look at that. That is the sugar, the brown sugar caramelizing, and that's what gives you that flavor. This is so bomb, and it smells amazing. Like there was joy happening in my head, y'all. And it is so good, y'all. Look at that. And then once you get the other side browned up, add some more sauce, and then you're just gonna toss that up a little bit. But to make it a proper copycat, hold on y'all, let me get you a little sample here. Watch this, you guys. So good. Hold on now, hold on baby, gonna take that quick little sample. So good, you guys. And y'all, the tender chicken, and I normally don't do thighs, but it is just better because it has more flavor, it's more tender. But then you know what, if you marinate your chicken and then that baking soda makes it more tender as well. I'm sorry y'all, hold on, let me let you get that bite though. Look at that, y'all. I'm gonna take it. So good, you guys. So try this out. I'm telling you, it tastes just like it. And also hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my new video. Bye, y'all.